All right, so now let's see if we can make this work from within the CHroot jail. So I've already set up this CHroot jail thing here. So whenever this username tries to log in, he's going to be sort of confined to this area here in the file system. So let me right quit this because I just uncommented this stuff. And then I need to restart SSHD. All right. And now I'm going to try and put this file on inside of that CHroot jail home directory. So let me just go see what's in there right now. So right now we have still the old stuff in here. So this test for CHroot and an etc folder. Let me just see what's in there. etc, there's nothing in here. All right, let me see if there's the SSHD in here. Doesn't look like it. Bash RC in here. Okay. All right, let's try and log in with this user. So I expect to be jailed to this directory here. So I have my identity key. Let's do it. I'm going to run this command here and then pass in my passphrase, and there we go. This seems to be doing it. So if I go back, ls not found. I think the problem is export path equals what the path used to be, and then bin, I guess. I'll run an ls now. There we go. Okay. If I go up again, then ls. There's nothing more. I can't go any further. So I'm jailed to this directory here, this CHroot jail. Let's go back to our home directory. And just to make sure that this is actually true, I'm going to ls-la here. There's a test for CHroot. Let me remove that directory. Okay. Let me just remove it here on the server then. Test for CHroot. Yes. Do ls here, that's fine. Ls in here, and now it's removed. So this means that I'm in that directory. Now I'd like to be able to use that SCP command from earlier to copy this file over to that CHroot directory. So let me run this. This is the old command that worked without being in the jail. Let me pass in the passphrase, and it gives me connection closed. I was expecting the file name, but we can go take a look if it did anything. That didn't work. All right, so what's going on here? This is a secure file transfer that I'm trying to do here. There is some configuration we can add to SSHD, that config file. So let's take a look at that. It's inside the root etc SSH SSHD config. And then within this change directory configuration, there is something known as force command internal sftp. Okay, I'm gonna right quit that, and I need to restart this SSHD. So that worked. Let's see if I can still log into this to this user. It tells me connection refused or whatever. This service allows SFTP connections only. Aha. Let's try this SCP again. Give it the file name, and there we go. Testfile.txt. Let's go back to the server. Do ls in here and cat testfile.txt. There we go. That content is in here. So pretty much the only thing that I had to add was this bit of configuration here. So this internal SFTP option on the force command. But now that means that I'm not able to log in here anymore. It allows SFTP connections only. So I guess it depends on what you need, right? But there you go. This is the config that I got away with to make this secure copy work within my CHroot jail.